Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today is the US National Coffee Day, so I thought it's a great opportunity to introduce you guys a couple of coffee related Chinese words. Now the first one is how to say coffee. Coffee is 咖啡. Super easy, right? It's just a similar pronunciation. I'll say it again. 咖啡, 咖啡, 咖啡. Easy peasy. If you want to say, let's go to the cafe, we would add another word, which is 馆, 咖啡馆, 咖啡馆. Now, if you know how to say library, you would know this sounds immediately familiar to you because we say library as 图书馆. It literally means like a book, and then you plus that 馆 at the end. So, 咖啡, 咖啡馆. Very easy, right? So basically, all the cafe house or all the cafe corner, you can use 咖啡馆. And if it has a specific name, for example, how to say Starbucks. So we translate it as 星巴克. 星巴克, 星巴克. Of course, each cafe name, each cafe brand has its own name. If you want to know that, comment down below and I'll make a list about it and introduce you guys how to say their Chinese name. Now, how to say the mug? We actually just call it as a cup. So we just say 杯, 杯, or you could add 子 at the end as a suffix. So 杯子, 杯子. Now, of course, if it's like a coffee cup, you would just say 咖啡杯, 咖啡杯. Now, you would say, oh, this is a mug, it's not really a cup. But in Chinese, we don't really have a specific name for it. You could just say it's 杯子. Very easy, right? Now, how to say drink coffee? Drink coffee is 喝咖啡, 喝咖啡, 喝咖啡. So if you want to say, I want to drink coffee, you could say, 我想喝咖啡, 我想喝咖啡. Alright, so that's a brief session about coffee, and I'll see you next episode. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!